everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am Julie of Julie's Plans. Today I'm going to be planning out the week of May 10th through May 16th in my Makselife vertical planner. This is how last week went. I used a really colorful Christiane Designs kit to sort of just celebrate all of the things in the last week. It was really a great week, and I'm actually filming this on Mother's Day. I was going to try and do it yesterday on my birthday, but we just got super busy, so I'm just doing it this afternoon. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and get started. I started to use this bottom part as like gratitude or just like a little memory for the day, and I missed a few days, just got super busy with work, so that's gonna be fine. This week I'm using a Fern Creek stickers kit. I feel like I need to redeem myself a little bit after the whole mishap with the date covers the last time. If you missed that one, I apparently completely missed that there's a whole bunch of numbers right there on that sheet. I think that this kit is supposed to be for Mother's Day, so I might be a little bit late using this kit, but I'm super excited to use it anyway. I love the full boxes. Yep, that was a Happy Mother's Day kit. My bad. But what I do like is that I don't have to use this. I can use everything else right here. It's kind of a nice like summery vibe to it. I like the strawberries. I like the green on it. All of that is super, super cute. So that's awesome. So let's get these date covers on here before I forget that they exist. I have been loving the stickers from Fern Creek, and I think today, by the time you guys see this, it'll be a little bit late, but I think that she just reopened for a couple of days and there's a sale. I'm trying to resist buying so many kits in advance. However, I did notice that I don't have a graduation kit for the week of graduation, so I really need to get on that and get something ordered because it's pretty, oh crap, it's pretty much next week. Well, the end of next week is when he graduates, but it's next week. I'll probably order something from Planner Kate since her turnaround is pretty dang spectacular. And that's probably all that I'll order so that I can get my kit here in time, because I saw that she had a kit and I forgot to add it to my last order. So let's go ahead and get, what did I do the last time I used a Fern Creek kit? I noticed that I didn't get thick washi for this kit when I ordered it, but I think I ordered the whole kit. So maybe she doesn't, oh, okay. I see, I put the thin washi. All right, got it. That's starting to make a little bit more sense. So on this sheet, oh, actually it's this sheet that has 2 strips of thin washi. Okay. Alrighty, I got it. I wish I had 2 of these. I like that yellow a little bit more, but this will also do just fine. So we're gonna put that right up here, and I'm gonna use my bookmark and my little cutter to just get that off right there. It seems like it is a gorgeous day outside. I have not stepped foot outside of my house today because I'm just not feeling it. I'm still having like this whole upper respiratory yuckiness that I'm sure you guys are tired of hearing about. That's what I'm dealing with that. Where's my bookmark? I can't see the thing because it's clear. I'm just gonna tear it. That's faster. And I love the date covers from Fern Creek because she has kits that are specifically made for the Makselife planner. So they have the whole Monday through Thursday deal on it, and it just makes my little planner heart so happy because all of the other strips are meant for the Monday through Wednesday on one side and the Thursday through Sunday on the other. So I love that she does have some kits that cater to this specific planner because it is pretty popular. All right, now I need to look back at that week again. What did I do at the bottom? Okay, got it. I forget that she has some meal things over here for us as well, which I absolutely love. It's for like the whole week, which is great. So we're gonna put these down. These 2 strips down at the bottom. Let me get all these sheets out of here. Confusing my own self this way. And I keep losing my Makselife bookmark because it is clear and small. Not very like in your face. All right, I need the other strip for the other side. And then I just need to remember to actually get my weekend sticker down, and I keep getting a little bit out of frame. Still getting used to my new, just facing a different direction as far as my tripod and everything goes on my desk. And I also realized that it's probably because I'm a little bit more zoomed in than I had intended to be. All right, let's get that weekend sticker down before I forget about it. And I am actually loving the full boxes that come with this kit. They're really, really pretty. And there are enough to have one for each day and one over on the sidebar, which is great. And I think I'm just gonna put them kind of right, let's see, pretty much right across the middle. I think we'll go ahead and do that. All right, so I actually still have a few full boxes left. I have 2. There's so much that comes when you get the full kit from Fern Creek. So I'm gonna try to cover up the habit trackers because I haven't been using them since I track my habits for the most part in my daily planner. Speaking of daily planner, I saw that there was like this exciting announcement over at Plum Paper today, and I really was excited for it. Anyway, they had announced that they were offering their modern color scheme in A5. Unfortunately, it is in every other layout except daily. I don't know what the deal is with this company and the daily only being offered in one color scheme and one color scheme only, but I'm a little bummed that they are not offering it in other color schemes when they offer it for all of the other layouts. So kind of disappointed, not the end of the world, but still, you know, I was shocked. And then I saw that a lot of other people were commenting like, oh, all of those awesome layouts in the new modern color scheme, which seems to be very popular, but not daily. I didn't see the company actually answer anyone back as of yet, like when it's gonna happen. So I'm like, ugh, why would you release it in the other weekly sizes but not in daily? Like, I don't know. Just a random thought as a consumer. Like, I'm not really sure why brands do what they do. Anyway, that's it. That's my little meh. All right, let's move on to this week. So I actually want to mark that I am working on Week in the Life. Allie Edwards does this, I think it's once a year, maybe more than a couple times a year. Week in the Life. Actually, it's once a year now that I think about it. And I bought all this stuff for it. Now I'm thinking this week I am just going to get my book all set up. I actually have it like right over here. I have this like beautiful yellow album and I actually have some of my pages set up. Anyway, it's a really cool project where you can do like a Week in the Life memory keeping thing. The whole community participates. Anyway, I bought all my stuff, but I'm getting it set up and I'm going to do it for the week after this week for Nathan's graduation week. So I'm just going to kind of follow along while everyone else is doing their projects and see how I like it. I'm really excited to be doing it though. So I'm going to put that in right here. It's all week, so I'm not really sure how else I would want to mark it. I do have this one washi strip that could go all the way across, I think. Maybe? Let's try it. And it actually does go all the way through the weekend, but I'm just gonna kind of stop right here since I don't have any more washi. So it is actually Monday through Sunday in case you're like wondering what the heck I'm doing. But anyway, I'm super excited to kind of participate in it in my own little way. I'll get caught up at some point with my project. All right, and then I need to get down videos for the week, and let's see which labels I want to use. I think I'll use these event labels right here. I think that those are really cool. I have a video planned obviously for Monday. The one that you're watching right now. I don't have Wednesdays kind of planned out. I keep changing my mind what I want to do, but I do know that Friday will more than likely be a daily plan with me, which I haven't done in a couple of weeks, and you guys do really seem to like those. So that's the plan for right now, unless something else changes, which I hope is not the case, but we'll just put that right there. Leave a blank one for Wednesday. I'm sure that I will come up with something. I almost thought about doing a favorites video, but I'm gonna kind of hold off on that. I really want to just do favorites more like once every other month or once a quarter, because that does work. That does work better for me. Next up, I just need to plug in the 3 meetings I have during the first half of the week, and I'm gonna grab my Planner Kate meeting stickers because those are so much more fun than having to write it in myself. All right, so I've got 12 o'clock on Monday and 11 and 3 on Wednesday. And I just realized I wanted to pick a different color for Monday because I didn't want 2 greens next to each other. I know that's like a really minor thing, but it matters to me. All right, and then 11 on Wednesday. I know it's like right along the same time as what I have on Monday, but it's gonna be okay. All right, and then let's see, what else do we have on Tuesday? Actually, Tuesday morning, I will probably film whatever I'm gonna do on Wednesday. I am forgetting what days I'm on here. So I'm gonna grab one of these camera stickers from Planner Kate, and I'm just gonna kind of put that over here on Tuesday morning. That's been one of the good things that has worked out for me. Actually, I wanna use one of these bigger patterned labels, is that in the morning I do have extra time now since I am not commuting, and I can get like ready for work, all dressed up, all that stuff if I feel like it, and film if I need to. So then on Tuesday evening, I will go ahead and edit that video if I get something done. And I'm just gonna grab one of the computer labels, also from Planner Kate. I love these. All right, and then on Wednesday, I'm gonna start using some of these script stickers over here on this sampler. I love these also because they kind of remind me of things that I need to put down in my planner that I might have otherwise forgotten. And I think I'm just gonna do some layering here so that I can use up some of these stickers. I don't know about you guys, but I have to have like a midweek laundry day. I know that some people do laundry every single day. I can't keep up with that. I really do not like doing laundry that much. All right, and then we've got the trash day sticker. Let's see, there's planner time, grocery time, movie night. There's quite a few things on here. All right, trash day is going to be on Friday. And we'll put that right about here. They come pretty early in the morning, so we definitely have to make sure that it goes out Thursday night. We cannot wait till the morning, or yeah, we can't wait till the morning of. Sometimes they're here so ridiculously early. And then I'm going to do a movie night for Friday night. And I think I'll just put that on this yellow color. I love this like mustard yellow that is in this kit. It is so pretty. All right, now we are finally over here towards the weekend. I thought that there was a meal planning sticker, but there's a meal prep and a planner time sticker. So that is okay. I think what I'll just do is use this little fork and knife icon sticker and layer it on an event label, and then just do meal planning, since that's what I do pretty much every Saturday morning. And then I want to use the planner time for Saturday night, since that is when I kind of sit and plan out the week ahead, like do some sort of pre-planning and just see if things need to be moved around. That really does work for me, especially because I film my plan with me's. I think if I didn't film it, I would just sit down and do it like all at once in like one little planner sesh. But I mean, that's not how I do it. All right, so on, oh, there is a payday. That is on Saturday. Let's not forget to put that down. And let's just do this red sticker. I'm like all about all the layering this week because I want to use up all the stickers in this kit. That's not gonna really happen, but we're getting there, we're getting there. All right, and then of course on Sunday, I do need to film, and I'm gonna use this half box and get another one of those camera stickers from Planner Kate. I am like obsessed with these things. I'm gonna go through them pretty quickly. And then of course we have grocery time, and that's gonna be on Sunday morning. And do we have any more event labels I can layer with? I can use this green. I am almost out of event labels. I'm doing good, I'm doing good. All right, and then Sunday afternoon, it's gonna kind of look like it's a little bit later, but I am going to be a guest in a friend's Patreon group, which is pretty darn exciting. So I'm gonna put that here. Let's fix that because that's definitely crooked. You can always see it when it's up against another sticker. All right, so I've got all of that down. I think I wanna use the This Week header right here, which is awesome because it lines up. Oh, it would help if I got in frame. But this lines up perfectly with the red little dots for up here just under the date cover. So that worked out really, really nice. I was also thinking of using this for steps, but the labels just have like to do workouts and dinner. I'm gonna put dinner down here, so I don't think I'm gonna do that. So I think I'm just gonna leave it blank for the most part. So what I have left, holy moly, is a lot of other labels. There's a lot in the full kits from Fern Creek. So from this sheet, the full boxes, I still have the 2 half boxes and some appointment labels. This whole sheet I completely forgot about. It was way over there in the corner, and I have a ton of half boxes and appointment labels. And then on this sheet, I just still have like the habit tracker, another half box, some more labels, and there's still a ton on this sheet. So I could easily fill all of this up. I don't really see that happening, but that's what we've got so far for the week. All right, last thing is I think I'm actually going to go ahead and put the weather for the week because I think it would look super cute. Not always necessary, but I think it would look great. I'm just gonna do Monday through Thursday for now. It looks like we have a stormy week ahead of us, so I'm not really looking forward to that, but I absolutely love this kit. It is so freaking pretty. So that is it for this week's Plan With Me. I'm sure that there will be more to add throughout the week. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are already subscribed, make sure that you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.